In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Now, diaphragms, cervical caps, and vaults function as barrier methods of contraception for females by preventing sperm entry through the cervix. Thus, A matches with 1. Now, intrauterine devices, that is IUDs, enhance sperm phagocytosis within the uterus. Thus, B matches with 3. A vasectomy is a surgical contraception method for males involving the removal or tying of a small portion of the vas deferens through a minor incision in the scrotum. Thus, C matches with 2. And tubectomy is a surgical contraception method for females which involves the removal or tying of a small segment of the fallopian tube. Thus, D matches with 4. Hence, the correct answer is option C.